Hello, this is the first video lecture specific to Math 2270 for the summer of 2020. It is entitled Yet Another Blessing, and it does include, when announcing the Math 2270 Net 02 availability, I indicated that the STEM leadership came up with a creative solution to the situation. And it was a creative solution, and it need not be shrouded in mystery. It's a twin blessing. The first element of the blessing is you get to take this course, but the second element is we have a new teammate. Dr. Chris Bailey is a respected colleague. I also consider him a personal friend, and he is the chair of the math committee. This is his contact information. As I write this, I realize I have not shared this with you about me, but that'll be forthcoming. I don't know a lot about Chris's early background, except that he did something I want to do one day. He has taught math at a Native American reservation school, and he coached basketball there. I'll pick up the story. He has taught and also got his doctorate in mathematics from Northern Illinois University, and he has worked at the College of DuPage pretty much since then, and he is a full tenured professor at the College of DuPage. He is not the only Dr. Bailey in the house. His wife, who he met at Northern Illinois in math class, is a full professor at Elgin Community College right now, and she was one before that at Harper College. They have two daughters, and I will tell you a short story. I was working one Saturday. I actually worked 7 days a week on math, and Chris had come in on that Saturday morning with his daughter to do some work. I was grateful that they stopped by my office to say hi. That was a kindness. His daughter, a toddler at the time, walked into my room. I was preparing a math history lecture, and there was an object lying on my floor that I was going to use in an upcoming lecture. His daughter, a toddler, said, "Look, Dad, a regular pentagonal dodecahedron." And it was. Now, I have a daughter, and she is good at math. She's also quite an athlete. She would have seen this and said, "Look, Dad, a funny soccer ball. Can I kick it?" This is not our book, but often you will see books that say differential equations and linear algebra. These two subjects are intimately linked. Dr. Bailey is an algebraist, and his dissertation was in linear algebra. Now, we will teach you all the linear algebra you need to know, but that's another plus. Now, the details of our partnership are still a work in progress, but it will include all Math 2270 differential equation students having access to Dr. Bailey's office hours. Not just Net 02, but Net 01 as well. This in addition to my office hours and two Learning Commons mechanisms previously described in concept, the Math Assistance Area and Guided Study Groups. There will be no shortage of support for your studies this summer. Now the clarification. Yes, we will be using the testing center, but not physically. We will be using it virtually. We will be using the COD remote proctoring service. I worked with them on 3 successful math missions in the spring of 2020. This can work. What will happen is you will be doing a Zoom proctoring session with testing center personnel on the other end. They will be in contact with a proctoring supervisor, who in turn will be in contact with me. Socially distanced, but effective. Except for being in living color and having some women involved, it will be a little bit like this NASA control room. You will be assessed, but you will be safe. This summer should be special. Let's make it so. I am itching to begin. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. And now, more than ever, take care of yourself and of each other. May God bless you and yours.